Hi and welcome to SQL Injection Master Course. My name is Hitesh and below is my web homepage where you can access details about me and can leave your feedback. Now I hope you are quite enjoying the series, and instead of any new lesson, this lesson is quite different from all of the above lessons. Now in this lesson I really want you to focus on some particular scripts. Regardless the language, it might be developed in the Python, Ruby, C, C++ or any other scripts. The concept that we are going to discuss here is really important. So we are trying to move something like, you can say, a tool-based approach, but really I am not interested in to teach you how to use the Havage or how to use the SQL map or any other tools, because really tools are great things if you know about the basics and the backend structure to fast up the things, but before that you should be really aware what they can do for us and what they cannot do for us. So what I want you to focus in this video is really simple. Let me show you that. So in this video let me take you to here. So from our last lessons, now a really good script that I found on the backtrack is this one. Let's move on to the pentest database SQL map, and if I do a quick ls, you will find that there is temper, and in the temper I found a couple of good scripts, and these are really powerful one. And since all of these are in the Python, you might not be having any problem in reading out them. Python is such a simple language and really easy to read. So we have got space to comment, space to dash, and space to MySQL blank, and there are a couple of more key things that you can really learn from these scripts. Like from the last video, we have seen that there was a new character being introduced that says, hey, there is a %a0 that can get some really odd characters into the role that can help us to get rid of the spaces that have been blacklisted. So let's try to open any of them with the Vim, and let's say we are opening space to, let's say my blank, my SQL blank.py. Now this is purely a simple, again the really simple part about the Python is always that it's really easy to read, execute, and just a few lines of codes or scripts can do a massacre. So you can see for tab we can use 09, 0A, 09, 0C, 0D, 0B, A0. So all these blanks can be replaced by a lots of variety of things. And if you're really not feeling comfortable with these things, although it's just a general for loop and else if loop, just quite a simple one, but still if you are not feeling comfortable, take out a look on my Python course, which is really a very simple approach to learn the Python interface. I would be talking on a lots of things on Eclipse and a lots of things on the backtrack as well in that course. So I want you to dedicate a couple of moments onto this course, this particular scripts, so that you can understand what extent we can go. It's not like just %a0 is going to be enough for you. So take a couple of moments with these scripts, and that's all for this video. Let me catch you in the next video where we are going to add up one more lessons in that. So that's all for this video, and thank you so much for watching.